Hello, so this is a new board game, our recent purchase. This is a Century big box which includes 3 games, 3 promos and 1 mini expansion. Let's unbox this. 8 plus 2 to 4 players and timing is 30 to 45 minutes. Okay.
It's a pretty big box.
Yeah.
One instruction manual.
Manual is there, and then set up the boards. There are so many. We have to open. No, it's separate set, and this one is a big board. I think we have to separate into small tokens. So this is bunch here, and see there is this is like our masala box, masala dabba, spice bowl, spice root, spice roads or spice root?
Spice road.
Okay. So there are many
Like a big cards.
Coins and cards are there. If you are familiar with the Splendor game, so if anyone likes Splendor, so that's the one. It's somewhat similar to Splendor. That's why what we read, and then we plan to buy this. This is a set of 3 games, small variations, but everything is together. I think we know one game rule. I think we are going to try it today. Maybe in future I'm going to upload that. See, there are real coins. One is gold and one is silver, and here are small cube. So in Splendor it will be chips, but here they have given this wooden pieces.
Small meeples.
Oh, and then what is this? Bunch of one set card, and this is one other this thing. So we are so excited to play this game. So once we learn all the rules, and then when we get to play, I'm going to upload the video. Stay tuned to Telltale Sudama. Thanks and bye.